In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Microsoft Access dashboard. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable home screen that opens automatically and helps users get where they need to go fast. Start by launching Microsoft Access and opening the database you want to enhance. If you're working with a copy, that's even better since it lets you experiment safely as you build. With the database open, head to the Create tab and choose Form Design. This gives you a blank canvas. Think of this form as your dashboard shell. It won't hold records. It will hold buttons, summaries, and visuals that guide users. Begin shaping the appearance. Add a clear title at the top with a large readable font, and consider a subtle background color to separate the header from the body. Use the layout tools to align and space elements evenly. Simple is best here. Consistent fonts, plenty of white space, and a grid-aligned layout will make the dashboard feel polished. Next, add navigation buttons so people can open key forms, reports, or queries with a single click. On the Design tab, insert a button control. If the wizard appears, select actions like Open Form or Open Report and point to the object you want to launch. Set the caption to something user-friendly like Open Customers or View Sales Report. Duplicate and align buttons so they're uniform, and group related destinations together. If you prefer more control, you can set the button's on-click event to a macro that opens exactly what you need. Optionally, enrich the dashboard with data summaries and visuals. Add text boxes that use expressions like decount or dsum to display key totals, such as number of orders or total revenue. You can also insert a chart or a subform that shows a small trend or top items list. Keep these at a glance and avoid clutter. Only the most important metrics belong on the front page. Refine the form's behavior in the property sheet. Set default view to single form. Turn off record selectors, navigation buttons, and scroll bars for a cleaner look. Consider setting border style to thin and using fit to screen. Review tab order so keyboard navigation feels natural, and ensure decorative labels aren't focusable. Now make the dashboard your startup screen. Go to File, Options, and then Current Database. In the Display Form dropdown, choose the dashboard form you just created. Click OK, and Access will prompt you to close and reopen. Restart the database, and your dashboard should load automatically. Test each button and summary to confirm everything works smoothly. With that, you've built a practical Microsoft Access dashboard that's ready for everyday use.